Yeah. The meeting floods with noise, my words get swallowed whole. Stars like tidal waves and laughter rolls. I shape a paper note, fold a tiny lighthouse sign, slide it to the front, a letter for a different line. I tap my palm in rhythm, trace a pulse across my sleeve, a sticky heart of color for whoever wants to read. They glance and then they blink, curiosity becomes sound, a small electric arc that lifts me off the ground. Signal without sound, I blink my truth in color, flash the code of who I am, let lights become my language. Signal without sound, my heartbeat writes the beat, flicker flare, hand to hand we meet, with eyes and feet. I sew a jacket threaded with blinking lines of braille, a lamp sequence for the chorus, a visual detail. We clap with lights on a rhythm that the room can keep. 1,000 little signals wake the ones who slept so deep. Notes on the table, icons on the screen, a map of gentle colors where my words might bend. You learn my code and I learn yours, a duet made of sight. We paint the silent corners until they shine tonight. Signal without sound, I blink my truth in color, flash the code of who I am, let lights become my language. Signal without sound, my heartbeat writes the beat, flicker flare, hand to hand we move on equal feet. I'm here, I see you, I pulse. We make a language of the skin, of motion and of glow, a tapestry of signals where our inner rivers flow. Ha 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 ha. Signal without sound, I blink my truth in color, flash the code of who I am, let lights become my language. Signal without sound, my heartbeat writes the beat, flicker flare, luminous, together we complete. Watch me blink, I'll show you how to hear. Watch me blink, I'll show you how to hear. Watch me blink, I'll show you how to hear. Watch me blink, my eyes. Just a chord progression. Use open, airy voicings to keep warmth and space. Form modern edge layer with a subsynth and seduction.